this is Ryan with the Linkosaurus training team, and in this video we're going to talk about custom short URLs. So you'll probably notice over here where it says marketing URLs. We're going to start here. We're going to go to add URL, and this is where you can create a marketing URL that you want to send your users to a very specific web address. And a lot of times that web address is going to be really long. And so this is a way that not only you can shorten it for your marketing standpoint, but also you can track the number of clicks. So in this situation, we're just going to call this Real Deal 9. And this is for internal use. This is nothing that a potential customer or anybody's going to see. And then let's assign it to a location. This is a fun option that allows you to create a variety of different URL links and send a user to the same web address, but from different locations, depending on how you're doing your marketing and how you're interacting with your customers. And so in this situation, we're going to select one of our locations, 1324. You don't have to choose a location, but if you want to do something very location specific in your marketing, this is how you can do that. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pretend this is a phishing website or phishing company, and we sell phishing products. And so we want to send them to this very specific URL that you see up here. So we're going to copy the whole web address, including the HTTPS. We're going to highlight that, copy, and then we're going to paste it here. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to customize the back half. And so let's just call this Real Deal 9. And this is going to be the web address that your potential customers are going to see. It's going to be this plus this. So we're going to click Save. And then it's going to take you to this screen. It's going to show all your different marketing URLs that you have created. And if you want to sort this, you can come up here and click location 1324, and it's just going to show you the ones that you've created just for this specific location. And so here we have Real Deal 9 as the title. It's location 1324. Here is the final web address that you would send your visitors to. And then here is the short URL. So this is the URL that you are going to use in your marketing. You can see here it's saurus.me / and then the back half here that you've customized. So if you want, you can go to here and you can click this to copy it. And just to see how it works, you can come up here, hit right, hit paste. And when the user clicks that link, it's going to take them right to the website that you sent them to. So that's the first thing you can see here. If we refresh this page, we should have now a link click because we just used it in our example. Now we have one click. You can come over here to action. And if you want to at any time change the back half, just remember to make sure your marketing matches up. You can come over here, you can edit this, save it. Then you can also, if you decide you want to delete this and you no longer want it, then you would select this and hit delete. And so that's how you create a custom marketing URL. All your stats are going to be found here under the Analytics tab where it says shorten URLs, location, and then marketing. The location URLs are very specific to individual locations when it comes to your location setup. For example, you might have a Facebook URL redirect where you want to include this and direct users to give you a review on your Facebook page. Same thing here for your Google My Business. And so how you create these, you also have your same date range features. So if you want to search, how many people have clicked these different links during a date range, you can do that. You can also filter by location. You can filter by the different groups you have set up. To go back to this, you can go to action. You can edit these URLs here, edit the back half. And then if you want to go to the location module, this is a quick short link that will take you there. It's going to take you over here to the location tab. So you would go to location module, and it's going to bring you here. It's going to default to the location that's set up for that one that you've selected. Otherwise, if you come over here to location, go to list of locations, and then you would have them right here. So then what you could do is click your edit, go here, and then you'll notice you have these two settings for your Facebook review and your Google review short links. Now, by default, when you are creating a new location, let's just say it's this one here, where we have not yet connected to Facebook or to Google, you can notice that it's going to say the short link will automatically be created. So as soon as you link your Facebook page or your Google My Business page here, this will automatically be generated, and it will look something very similar to what we have here in this example. So then here it's going to be generated, and you're going to get a default automatic generated back half. Well, here you would come over to select your back half, and then you can edit this and then hit save to have it whatever you like. Sort of a best practice a lot of Linkosaurus users will do, because the potential customer is going to see this on their end, is make it something easily identifiable. So in this situation, it says Google 1324. It could be whatever you want, but this just kind of gives your potential customer confidence that what they're doing is being taken to, let's just say in this example, a Google My Business listing. To see how this works, you can copy this, go over here, and let's just look at what would happen if somebody clicked this link. And you can tell here, it automatically takes them to the actual Google My Business review page. And so it really kind of helps the user go right to where they need to go. They don't have to, for example, go here and then click reviews and submit a review and everything. It's very, very specific, takes them right where they need to go. Same thing would be if this was for the Facebook page. And so let's go back and refresh this. We're going to copy the Facebook page. We're going to go here. We're going to paste it, assuming somebody clicked it. And then here you go. It takes you directly to, in this example, the Linkosaurus review page where you can see the reviews, and a potential new user or customer can instantly go in here and leave you a review. A best practice that a lot of Linkosaurus users will do is on their Facebook page here, or the Facebook setup page, what they will do is click load from address, and it will automatically load this here to kind of speed things up as far as the setup process is concerned for your location signature whenever you are posting anything to your Facebook pages. And so here in this example, here's all the information we have, which pulls from here, but then it's also kind of preloading this. And you can go in here, and after you've done this, you can edit this to whatever you like. You can add emojis, you can do whatever you want. But when any post goes out from this particular page, it's going to stamp this, if you will, as part of the location signature. And if somebody wants to or sees a post from you, it's just a quick link that they can click and go right to giving you a review on either Facebook or your Google My Business listing. If you have any questions on how to use this feature, you can always come down here to click help, and a Linkosaurus team member will be there to assist. And as always, link and soar with us.